On this ride along, security keeps their distance. A lady with khaki pants walks by. And an officer is not okay.
Are you okay?
No, I'm not okay.
On Saturday, January 10th, officers responded to a call about a disturbance at a Lifetime Fitness. An employee reported that 2 intoxicated women were refusing to leave. As the officers gathered the women's identification for a trespass notice, a disagreement about the situation's deepness developed.
Okay, so the management here has elected to have you guys trespassed.
It's not that deep.
Well, ma'am, I have no control
It's
over
not that
that.
deep.
That's something you can take up another time with, like, whoever the big person is.
It's not that serious. Who's the manager?
Ma'am, I don't know.
Well,
I don't.
All right, can you just listen to what she's saying?
I keep talking.
Yeah, so
over
stop
me.
being argumentative and listen to what she's
I
saying.
can hear that, but I'd like to know the name of the person. I have
Let me
every
finish
right.
talking and then I'll get
Yeah.
whatever you need.
Yes.
You need to listen to me.
You saying management? I want to know the name.
Well, give me a minute. I want to make sure you understand what I'm telling you
I
so
hear-
you
I
don't
heard
get
what you
yourself in trouble.
I heard.
So for 18 months, if you come back here, you will be arrested.
According to what manager?
Let me finish my job as a law enforcement officer, because as a manager, I don't give a damn. I'm trying to tell you so that you don't get yourself in trouble.
That's why I'm asking.
Okay, I'm telling you not to come back here. Do you understand that?
You can say that.
Okay, so if you come back, you're going to
It's
be
not
arrested.
that serious.
Ma'am, I don't care if it's serious or not. I really don't. Who was the manager that you were speaking of?
The officer would get the manager's name and start to write it down. But then the woman got close to take a picture of the paper, which didn't sit well with the officers.
Hey, do me a favor. Just back up from her a little bit. You're a little bit too close. You're a little bit
You're
too
not taking a
close.
picture of my notes.
Yeah, listen, don't start shit.
You're going to get
We'll
yourself
finish
in
it.
some trouble.
Stop
In a
it.
minute.
I know what I'm doing.
You were
What
getting
wanna
too
do?
close to her.
What did I do?
You were getting too close to
I'm
her.
taking a picture of what she's writing down.
I
Wait,
gave
What
it
you
wait
wanna
until
do?
wait until she's
What you
done.
want to do
Wait
about
until
it?
she's done.
I did it and it's done. What you want to do about that?
Don't be stupid.
Hey, I ain't
Don't be
stupid.
stupid.
Well, what
Don't
you
be
want to do
stupid.
about that?
You started out
Because
stupid.
By
I'm
number?
also a law
Don't
enforcement.
touch
I ain't
Try it.
stupid, bitch.
You are stupid. You're dumb.
All right. And
This is how you treat me and you're in law enforcement?
all I'm doing.
You're very
is taking a picture of
disrespectful.
what you're writing down.
I told you I was going to write it for you.
And I'm taking a picture.
You don't need to take a picture of it. I
But
gave it to
do.
you.
I do. I know what I'm doing. So go on.
I'm sorry I have
I'll
someone
wait.
that... Yeah, you will wait, because
I
I'm busy
will.
now.
Ignore her. We're animal cruelty sergeants at Plymouth County.
Yeah, I appreciate that, but you need to talk to her before she loses her job. Just come over here. And
Do you
talk
want
some
an
sense
Uber
into
home,
her.
ma'am? They're willing to provide you an Uber home.
Just talk some
I
sense
don't
into her.
need anything provided.
she goes to,
All I
you
did
know.
was come here.
Okay, well,
and
as soon
try
as
to get
we're
my
done, you have to leave.
Uber home.
As soon as
They
we're done, you have to leave.
escalated it so further. So y'all want to talk about law enforcement and all that? You're not even seeing my side.
I don't have to.
I've been here since earlier. All I've done is sat on their side. All I did was try to open a locker and see. Stop. If my keys were in there and they're being extra, all I'm doing.
Okay,
So
well,
now
what
I'm taking pictures, recording the scene because I pay $300 a month to come here. That is it. They've never had a problem with me.
Okay, well, I'm going to tell you what I
And
was
I
told.
come here.
You want
6
to hear what I
days a
was
week.
told? You want to hear what I was
Go
told?
on.
I was told that you guys had been drinking. Someone, I don't know if it was you or you, threw up in the hot tub.
Yes, that's
Okay.
my
I
friend.
was told, you're talking over me again.
Okay, and
I asked
So
you, do
you're
you want to
gonna-
hear what I have to say or
yeah, I
no?
heard what you said. She
I'm not
threw up
done.
in the hospital.
She's not
I'm
done,
not
so
done.
stop. Stop.
So you know what? I'm
Cut it
done.
out.
Get out of
I
here.
know.
You're going to be arrested for
It's not-
trespass after warning. I don't want to do that. Please get your things
Yeah,
and
you're
go.
being extra.
No, go.
Please go.
Go.
Because you're not listening, and I'm not going to sit here
And
and do
y'all
that.
ain't listening.
Get your things
I
and
pay
go.
$300 a
In a
month,
minute,
and
you're
they're
going to
not
be arrested
listening.
for trespassing.
It's not that deep.
Do you understand the trespass warning?
understand all of
Okay,
it.
then you need
It's
to go.
not that deep.
You need to go.
It's not that deep. Sorry.
You need to go. You're
You're
also.
She's also.
Yes.
Okay.
We work for Plymouth County Animal Care Control. We're sergeants for animal
That's
cruelty.
Well,
Okay,
okay,
bro.
but you're both being trespassed.
They've
You need
been rude since we
need
arrived.
to go.
It's not that deep. And so I have.
You
a
need to
reason
go
to
because
come
you're
out.
being
I pay
trespassed. I'm not going to
$300
stand
a
here
month
any
to be
longer. She's fixing
They-
to talk
they
herself
want
into
you
handcuffs.
trespassed.
Trespassing.
It's not
So
that
you might want to
It's-
talk to your friend. I don't care if it's
It's-
deep or if it's shallow.
All right.
I don't care.
Let
They
me
see
Get
let
her
me
out of
explain.
here. She's
Let
going
me
to
explain
jail.
something to you.
I'm sorry.
Listen.
I'm just trying to
Get her out of here. She's going to jail. I'm not waiting much longer.
I'm
trying to be nice.
I'm just trying to complain.
Get your friend and get her out of
You
here.
had a moment where she got sick.
This is a.
Hear what I'm saying?
I hear you, but hear
And
me.
that's what I'm saying.
Hear me
She
out.
goes to jail.
This is a
You
private
got about 20
establishment.
seconds.
any private establishment, they could tell you
Yeah, we're
they don't want you.
I'm sorry. We have a
You,
lot of
they
background
don't
noise.
want. They could tell you they don't want you in here anymore. They
sorry
want
about
you
that.
trespassing. Once we issue a trespass warning,
I
from
get
that point out, you have to
But you're
leave.
hearing only their side, and that's where my frustration.
You're not listening to
So
me.
you
I'm
got-
trying
You're
to
getting
tell you.
frustrated.
Yes,
on their
because you
behalf.
keep talking
On their
over.
behalf.
Hey,
You
you gotta
keep talking
stop
over me.
and go.
You have 10 seconds
You gotta
to get
stop
out the
and
door,
go.
or you're going to
On
be
their
put in
behalf.
handcuffs.
You
You
are.
have 10
don't- do not
seconds
be
to get
stupid.
out the door,
I ain't
or you're going
Alright,
to be
you are being
handcuffed
stupid.
and arrested for trespassing.
You can walk out that
10
door.
seconds. Please go.
You can walk out that
You
door and
won't
go
listen
home.
to me. Please go. You've been trespassed. Please go. You've been trespassed. Please
Hold on.
go.
Hold on.
You can walk out that door and go home.
Hold on.
You've been
I just want it to be
trespassed.
known that they're.
That's-
No, you said 10 seconds.
Nope.
It had been 54 seconds since the first warning by this narrator's count.
It's been what?
No, stop. Stop fighting. Stop fighting.
Yeah.
Get on. Get on.
Me ditch.
I didn't do shit. That's on you. That's on you. Because all I'm doing,
I'm trying to leave. I'm trying to leave.
Go.
all I'm doing is letting my
Stop
shit be done.
resisting.
It's still recording.
Give me
bro.
your arm.
That's
Stop
fine.
resisting. Stop back here.
Sir, I'm trying to take her. I'm trying to take her with me. Please, please stop.
That's fine.
She's not
Stacey, I got
I'll
this arm.
take it.
She's
I
not
got this arm.
resisting.
Give me your arm.
I got this.
Please.
Being extra,
She's
bro.
not resisting. Please.
I haven't. That's fine.
Please. She's
They
not
want to do all
resisting.
this. It's fine.
Ma'am,
Record.
you had your option.
Andrea, record. Just record.
Please,
Just
ma'am.
record.
She's not resisting. Please.
Just record.
Please. We work for Palm Beach
Hey,
County.
I'm
Animal
counting,
Control.
bro. Record, bitch.
I got it.
Andrea, record.
I got her.
Just record. Shut.
I don't
Hey,
have
stop.
Get it out.
You gotta step back.
Record.
You gotta step out. Step out.
Hey, Andrea, record. Record this shit. All y'all.
No. Stand up. Stop being stupid.
No, I ain't
Stop
going.
being stupid.
I don't
You want me tased? I'm fixing to tase you.
Go in the house because I have a heart condition. If you in my life over that,
So stand up.
I ain't doing shit.
Stand up.
After y'all do that,
Stand up.
I'm not causing you a
Stand
problem.
up.
But you want to taste me? I've had 3 heart surgeries. Go ahead.
Please.
You. Y'all want to do all that? Go ahead. I ain't. Y'all making more than I to be. He's not trying to hear.
You
my
were given plenty of warnings.
No.
Yeah, you
y'all
were.
Don't listen. You're taking their side. They're being assholes, and that's the problem. You're not listening, bro. All I did was try to make him take my friend home, and y'all ain't
He
listening.
gave you multiple warnings
No,
to leave and go
y'all
home.
took their
But you want to
side.
be stupid, right?
No, y'all want to be
Play
stupid.
stupid games,
And
win stupid prizes.
Hey. I ain't gonna take it. Garner, one. This will be on video.
So it's all over my body cam. I'm worried about
and
it.
me too. Hey, I ain't worried about that shit.
You're just proud of yourself.
I am.
Fitting the county well.
Yeah, you too. You too for not
I work for the
listening.
county.
That for you too for not listening.
Yeah, just shut up. Shut up.
No, you shut the f- up.
Shut
You
up.
shut the f- up. What you gonna do about that? What you gonna do?
Shut up.
No, you shut up. What you gonna do? Shut the door.
Please. She works for Animal Control.
I gave her plenty of warnings. And then she wanted to resist. And then she wanted to kick me. I gave her extra because of what you said you do. And you know what? I shouldn't have done that. So guess what? Too bad. Okay. You trespassed for 18 months, as you know, because you understood that. Thank you very much. You're free to go.
All right, you're good to go.
Like the channel? Subscribing is like an endorphin boost at the gym for this narrator.
Am I coming through?
Huh?
Or is that through? Am I coming through?
Wait. Is there any way I can drop?
No.
Listen,
Get
listen. This is done and over with. You gotta leave now. You've been trespassed, so you gotta leave now. She's going to jail. All right? You understand? So go home now. Go home now. Go home now.
Animal Control.
Get the f- out of here.
We already told you.
Okay.
Go.
Go.
Get the f- out of here. Oh, I don't care. You're gonna leave or no? Are you gonna walk? Go now. Walk. Go now. Under arrest. You're under arrest.
We don't give a damn. I'm over it.
You're under arrest.
You don't need to arrest me.
Refuse to leave when you've been told to leave.
I don't
Get up.
arrest. I don't.
Get up.
I don't. I went for animal came to
We don't care. I don't care. I gave you
every.
every opportunity in the world, and neither one of you want to listen.
Are you okay?
No, I'm not okay.
Well, you hurt. Okay.
Are you hurt?
Well, I got kicked in the head.
Want to search it real quick?
Yep.
Deal with this shit.
That's her.
Oh, I got it, Casey.
With the woman acting up, the officers would put her in a hobble, during which time she kicked one of them. But the footage here isn't really worth watching. It's too dark and just full of F-bombs, which means no audio. So let's just go straight to the outro. She was charged with trespassing, disorderly intoxication, resisting with violence, and 2 counts of battery on a Leo. Court records show she eventually entered a guilty plea for the trespassing and disorderly conduct charges. She would get the other charges amended down to resisting without violence, to which she also pled guilty. For that, she'd get 1 year of probation, 75 hours of community service, 8 hours of an anger management course, and told not to have any contact with 2 of the officers during her probation period. As for the friend, she got charged with trespassing, disorderly intoxication, and resisting without violence. But the court dropped that in its entirety. Thanks for watching. See you on the next ride along.